Hoy, Mangkol!
Ayan, no?
Wala to, ha?
Ako nga makikibalato eh. Tama na yung Merry Christmas, Happy New Year.
Sa Ginebra, alaga.
Idol ko to eh. Congratulations.
Big win against Nebra.
Yeah, big win. Ganda nung laro today. Muntik pa akong mainis dito. Laki man lamang is nakagol. But we won the game. We're happy for 7-1. So we're number 1. Sure na ba sa quarters na at least, no? Or at least siguro.
At least playoffs.
Sana. So yung isang one step closer kumbaga dun sa first goal namin this conference, which is to reach the playoffs. We'll try to win more this and malaking boost sa amin to beating Ginebra, as we all know. So Ginebra is a great team coached by a great coach, probably the greatest, and it's a moral booster for us. Especially haba ng pahinga namin. December 20 yung last game namin, so we didn't hindi namin alam mo na i-expect namin this game. We just did our best.
Sabi si Coach Bonnie kanina na parang ikaw daw yung sabi mo kaya mo daw break parang ganun ata.
Yeah. Well, I told the coaches ang plano dapat namin is the whole from December 20 magaling ng January 2. I told the guys na that 10-day break medyo mabigat yun eh. We're still in the middle of the season, diba? Parang we can't afford to do that. So I asked the coaches, I asked the guys also konting sacrifice. Kasi this is our job. Plus we're on a roll now. We're 6-1, number 1 in the league. The last thing we can't afford to do is yung mag-relax, diba? Kasi number 1 na tapos biglang 10 days off, mag-relax and then parang baka dumaus-dos eh. So I asked the team, sacrifice, let's do our job. Anyway, hindi naman ganun ka yung practice. Kasi naman kami. We had like 6 days off after the last game. So sabi ko, okay na siguro yan. 3 days practice. We practice for 4 days and then off ng 2 days. Went back to January 2. And I'm happy for the guys also kasi nag-respond naman sila. They're happy also with the practice. Wala naman nagreklamo. Di ba?
Saka puro pagkain yun eh, no?
Oo, pagkain, konting yayaan. No? Yun. So yun yung delikatong part.
I mean, perhaps the face of the franchise, kasi sa Ginebra na-enjoy mo yung manalo. So, gano'n ka pakiramdam na ngayon, na-enjoy mo ngayon sa Northport na getting wins on top of the standings?
Very happy, di ba? Kasi, yung fruit of the labor, kumbaga. We're all about winning naman, right? All of us. So, feeling that again, being number 1, magaganda yung mga nilalaro. It feels great for now. But of course, hindi pa naman tapos eh. Like I always say, we can only celebrate until 12 midnight. The next day, ibang trabaho na yun. Ibang araw na we look forward na to the next game. Yeah, we're 7-1 now. But okay. But hanggang championship naman eh. Wala naman na nanalo sa elimination. Wala nang championship sa elimination.
Nasa number 2 ka ata sa
DPC. So, dikit lang.
sabi ko na parang nakakasabay ang Gilmar when it comes to statistics. And yung chance mo na mapanalunan.
Well, I'm happy also. Happy for that. Diba? Like, well, first of all, the reason naman kasi is nananalo kami. So mas nare-recognize. So that's the first yun yung mas importante. And then, you know, like we prepared actually this conference, like I said niya before, dalawa or conferences kami hindi nag-playoffs. So always win sa first half ng conference and then so yun yung talagang goal ko to help the team as much as I can, and, you know, to really talk to them then make them believe na kaya namin makipagsabayan, na we're a legit contender. And yun yung teammates ko naman nagre-respond naman sila. So,
Arun, gaano lang kasarap na talunin yung dati mong team na alam
first
natin.
time ko actually,
diba?
matalo yung Ginebra. Masaya naman, of course. Ito pala yung feeling na, di ba, kahit ang sarap talunin ng Ginebra. I mean, no offense. Pero syempre, nakita nyo naman yung crowd. I've been there, I felt that also na talagang may target sa likod sa Ginebra player. And first time in how many tries? I guess like 6 or 7. So, happy. Saya naman.
Ano, pinagbigyan yung bonus na sigaw niyo?
Depende sa sana pagbigyan.